Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss more problems on comparison operators. Let's have a look. See here, he given one problem. What is that problem? Write a program to check if the given string is a valid password or not. Okay. Yeah, in our regular life, we are entering so many passwords in different websites. Okay, the given password is right or wrong. It's a just basic level program. Just we have to check randomly. But these are the if for main standards of suppose if you want quality standards, basics are very important. Okay, if building will become so strong, the base is the very important. Okay, like here the to learning of a program, the basic problems are very important. See, let's have a look into problem. See, write a program already. The given password is valid or not. Okay, but what he is asking, what is the condition? A string is considered. Okay, string take as a password. String take as a password. The number of characters. Okay, the number of characters present is greater than 8. Okay, the number of characters present in the string is greater than 8 or wrong. Okay, then the number of characters means length of the character. See, first we will write points. First point, input is a string, and second point, the number of character. Okay, number of characters means length of the character. Okay, length of the characters, length of the string, sorry, length of the string. Third point, condition. What is the condition? The length of the string. Okay, uh length of the length of the string is greater than 8 or not. This is the main condition. If it becomes true, it's a valid password. Okay, valid password. Then otherwise false means invalid password. This is the main problem. Okay, see, first we will check first point. What is the first point? String here, string I am taking as a s. I am taking first I will check with the um, mm, random string means suppose here I am taking python. Okay, here I am taking python. What is the number of characters? Number of characters means what? Length of the string. Okay, length of the string. Length of string is equal to length of string means yes here. Length of string is equal to len of yes. Okay, len of yes. First see, what is the length of the string? Print length of yes is equal how many characters are there in that given string? Six characters are there. Okay, the given string, how many characters are there? Six characters are there. Like, next, what is the third point? The length of the string. Here the result. Okay, result is equal to length of the string is greater than 8. This is the given condition. Okay, this is the given condition. The number of characters means length of the character. This is the given condition. The length of the string is greater than 8. If it becomes true, okay, the condition satisfied, it's a valid password. Okay, otherwise false means invalid password. Okay, check. Here what is the result? Print result. Yeah, it's false means the total how many characters are there? Six characters are there. Here six characters means six is greater than 8, right? Six is greater than 8. Six is greater than 8 means it's a false. Why? Because when comparing to 8, 6 is a small number. That's why the condition becomes false. Suppose instead of 6 here 9 is there. At the time when comparing to 8, 9 is a big number. At that time the given condition is true. Otherwise the given condition is false. Here according to problem, the length of the character is equal to 6. Then the 6 is greater than 8. The given condition is false. Given condition is false. Here This problem I tried with the one random string. Okay. Now I am check with the user input. Okay. I'm check with the user input. See here, input is equal to enter a string. Okay. Enter a string. See here I am giving welcome. Okay. Welcome. In welcome, how many characters are there? Seven characters are there. Okay. Seven characters are there means enter false will come. Why? Because 7 means 7 is greater than 8. 7 is a small number when comparing to 8. Then the result will become false. Suppose here I am taking one more string, that is the aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane here I am taking. Aeroplane is having 9 characters. Okay, aeroplane is having 9 characters. 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. Then condition becomes true. Condition becomes true. Okay, but here what he is asking, the given password is valid password or not, he is asking. Okay, here I am using if condition. Conditional statements will come in upcoming classes. Okay, here I am using if condition. If result, okay, if result print, print valid password, otherwise means else, print invalid password. See friends, if the condition becomes true, the output will be print valid password. The condition will becomes false, the output will be print invalid password. Okay, let's have a look. Here see, here I am giving aeroplane like previous. Okay, aeroplane. See here, valid password. Okay, it's a valid password. Why? Because condition satisfied. Okay, suppose here I am giving welcome. Now welcome. See here, enter. It's invalid password. Why? Because the condition becomes false. When condition becomes true, valid password will print. The condition becomes false, the invalid password will be print. I hope you understand this concept. Okay. Next, we will dive into next problem. The next problem is the next problem is see here. First, the way of understanding a problem is very important. Okay. Before doing any problem, the way of understanding is important. Uh, when we want to learn anything, time consumption is must. Without time consumption, okay, we won't learn anything. Time consumption is must. Okay, if you spend more time, if you learn more. Okay, if you spend less time means we have to learn very less. Okay, okay. See, first, see this problem. Write a program that reads two numbers. Okay, write a program that reads two numbers. Checks if the second word is the last part of the first word. Okay. First point, taking inputs. Point one. Okay. Point one, taking inputs. What is the point one? A. Okay. A. Okay. A is equal to one input. Okay. A is equal to one input. A is equal to one input. Okay. A is the string one, whatever maybe. Okay, A is string 1 and B is as well as B is string 2. Okay, string 2. Okay, this is the first point. And the second point, and checks if checks if here if coming means the that we want to check last point. Checks if the second word of B, that means the word string 2, the string 2 is the last part of A. Here the last part or first part, whatever maybe, here what he is asking, the part of A is equal to word B. Okay, the condition is asking, first we have to find part A. Okay, that means substring, we have to find the substring of A. Part A, part A is equal to B. Okay, is equal to B. Here last part he is asking, last part means some particular index and words. The first character, The first character will start from one particular index to end of the word. Okay, this is the part A. We have to find part A. Okay, this is the last condition. Part A is equal to B. Okay, we have to find these things. Okay, see, part A means, suppose if you want to find parts, okay, lengths, we must find the length of the strings. Okay, first point, find length of A as well as length of B. Okay, length of A and length of B. And here I am saying, I am giving one random example. Suppose here A I am taking pineapple. Here A I am taking pineapple. First you write the index of, and length is equal to, okay, length is equal length is equal to 9, as well as B is equal to apple, and length is equal to 4. Okay, length is equal to 4. First see here, first for understanding purpose I am writing indices 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See the total number of characters, how many? 9 characters are there. The last index is always the length of the string minus 1. Okay, then as well as here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last index is 4 means the length of the word minus 1. Okay, 4. See here, the from when onwards Apple started at index number 4. Okay, at index number 4 onwards Apple started. Okay, index number 4 onwards Apple started. Then you all of you keep in mind. Now see the here the sorry, length is equal to 5. The length of the character 5, right? Now see, you observe 9 minus 4. Here see the length of the character 9, and the length of the A is equal to 9, and the length of the B is equal to 5. Then what is equal to output? 4. Okay, here see the first word, the part of A is started from, length of the A minus length of the B. See, observe clearly. The apple word is started from index 4. The index 4 means the length of the A minus length of the B. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Yeah, this all concept, all of you keep in mind. This is very important. Now you easily understand. See here, first A is equal to, okay, A is equal I am do with normal strings first. Pineapple, APPLE, pineapple, and B is equal to apple. Okay, this is the first inputs. Okay, this is the first A, string A and string B. First point completed. Second point. Second point, you have to find the length of A. Length of A is equal to length of A, and length of B is equal to length of B. Okay, the finding length is also completed. Finding length is also completed. But what he is asking, part of A is equal to B is the condition. Part of A is equal to B is the condition. See here, the length we find, and the length A find, and the length B also find. The first word index from where onwards started, the length of the A minus length of the B. That's why that's why hmm, the part of A means index of, okay, here the part of A, you have to find the part of A. Part of A means part of A is equal to, okay, part of A is equal length of the A minus length of the B. Length of the A minus length of the B. See now, see the result. result is equal to condition. Now third, you have to observe the third point. Part of A is equal to B will becomes true. The condition satisfied. Then otherwise false. See result A part of A. Part of A means what? Okay. Sorry. Here I missed one point. Here the index number here, from which index number it was started. The index is equal to, okay, index is equal length of A minus length of B. Okay, length of A minus length of B. Now see, part of A, first you have to find part of A is equal to, part of A is equal to A square braces index onwards. Okay, now see what is the part of A, then print once. Print part of A is equal to how much? Apple will come. Okay, apple will come. The part of A is equal to how much? Apple. Now see the condition. Now see the given condition. Print, sorry, result. Result is equal to, part of A is equal to B. Part of A is equal to B. The condition satisfied means it will print true. Then otherwise it will print false. Print result. Print result is equal to how much? True. Okay, print result is equal to how much? True. Okay, why? Because apple, okay, apple is the substring of the pineapple. Okay, apple is the substring of the pineapple. I hope you understand this. Now we will check with the user inputs. We will check with the user inputs. Take input, enter a string, and enter another string. Here the B is the substring of A. Okay, B is the substring of A. Now check this. Here I am entering a string. The previous example only we will enter first pineapple, 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 and the second string is the apple. Okay, now enter. It's true. Okay, it's true. Now I will check with another example. This is the mm, ordinary and extraordinary. Ordinary, first, extraordinary, 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 and ordinary. See, true. Okay, true. See here. Now I will do with another one. Welcome. Okay, welcome. And second string I am entering came. CAME came I am entering. See, it's false. Welcome and it's just came. Come is different, came is different, right? That's why. Okay. Now I will enter welcome and just come. Enter. It's true. I hope you understand, friends. Okay, this is the problem, and this is the solution, and this is the program. First, read the problem properly. Next, cutting into segregate into different points. Next, points elaboration, and next converting into program. Okay, this is the way to do. Next, uh, the video will becomes lengthy. Just I am doing only two problems in this video. I hope you all of you understand these two problems. Okay, thank you, friends. We will do remaining problems in the next video. Okay, thank you so much, friends.